This.
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 This. This.
This is a Swytch bike.
It's cute, but it's powerful. Simply put, this is going to totally disrupt the e-bike industry.
It's the smallest and lightest e-bike battery in the world, but without compromising at all on power or range.
It's incredibly well designed, so it's very easy for our customers to install it by themselves. But of course, we're there to help if you need. In fact, tens of thousands of people all over the world have already converted their bike to an e-bike with our help.
Our mission is to help people travel more sustainably by upcycling their existing bikes into e-bikes. And with the new Swytch kit, it's easier than ever. So yeah, if you have a bike and you want an electric bike, Swytch.